the tomato from my garden, guys. I pick up with this kind of stuff. This one from the supermarket. This one from my garden. Okay? And so you might wonder what is Sarlog, guys. So I've got extreme hot spicy sardines. This is sardines. Kita nyo, guys? Sardines. 1 sardines and 4 eggs. I've got 5 tomatoes. I've got garlic, hot chili, spring onions, spring heads, and red onions. Okay, and I am going to cook now a spicy sarlog. Okay, let's start. So now we are going to add an oil or vegetable oil in the frying pan, and now we are going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in our 4 eggs, and then beat it like this. Yes. Okay. I can't go on living in the dark. So now we are going to add our red onion, our spring onion heads, and our chili. So, nag-translucent na ang ating red onion, guys. Ilagay na natin ang ating tomatoes. So, hintayin natin mag-ano ang ating tomatoes mas maluluto. Bago natin ilagay ang ating sardines. Ilagay nyo ang garlic ahead kahit hindi pa umiinit yung mantika or whatsoever, kasi nag-a-add siya ng ano, guys, aroma yung smell, the good. Pwede mo nang kainin kahit wala pang ano, hindi pa natatapos yung niluto mo. Okay, so ilagay ko na, guys, ang ating sardines. Ito ay tinatawag na spicy sarlog. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko, guys, i-flex ko yung, ano, I flex the sardines. So, spicy na siya, guys, kasi yung ginamit ko na sardines is extreme hot spicy. So that's it. So in a few minutes we are going to add our eggs. So I put high on our flame. So, ito na. Nalagay ko na ang ating eggs. Masarap ito guys pag may rice. Okay? Lagyan ko ito ng 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Okay? Turn low heat. And a little bit of barbecue sauce. Spicy talaga. Masarap sa rice. Malalagahan mo na siya guys. Sarap na. So, for me guys, ayokong mag-dry yung aking sarlog. So, kaya, hanggang may a little bit of, ano pa siya, ito lang siya na, o pwede na siya ito, pwede na. So, sa ngayon, the last but not the least, I'm going to sprinkle our spring onion. Ganito, ganyan. Yan. Yan. Yan na yun. So, pwede na tayong mag-platings, okay? Ihanda na ang inyong mga kamay para tayo ay... This is our finished product. So, i-mix ko na lang ito. Mag-ano muna ako guys, So, this is now my final product guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more video notification. And please share. This is a spicy